There are two ways to access the prototype player. The first is by publishing the prototype. Click the Share button on the main toolbar, and in the pop-up, you can choose to publish to Axure Cloud or publish locally. The other way is to preview the prototype without publishing, which we often use during the design process. Just click the Preview button on the toolbar to enter the prototype player. The prototype player acts like a plugin embedded in the browser. In the top left corner, you'll see the current page name, Accordion, which is part of a file with 89 pages, currently on page 15. On the left, there's an expandable tree panel showing the folder structure of the pages. You can collapse this tree panel by clicking the button in the top left corner. Use the left and right arrows to navigate to the previous and next pages. In the search box, you can search through all pages and components. Clicking the Collapse All button folds all pages, while Expand All opens them all. The 100% text button opens a dropdown to adjust the page size. The default is set to Default Scale. Selecting Scale to Width adjusts the page size to fit the width of all components. And Scale to Fit accommodates both width and height. You can switch to other pages and choose different sizes. The cloud icon on the right is the plugin icon, which is not available in the default prototype player. Next to it is the notes icon, which shows all the notes for the pages and elements when clicked. Clicking on the yellow markers displays the content of the notes in a pop-up panel. To the right of the notes icon is the console icon. Clicking it opens a panel with two sections, variables and trace, primarily used for debugging interactions. The variables section displays any global variable set, while the trace section shows events and operations triggered during interactions. This section plays by default. By clicking the title bar, you can see the events and their associated interactions. Clicking the lower title bar continues to show newly triggered events and interactions below. You can click the Clear button to remove all content or the Stop button to halt event tracking. To the right of the workspace button, you can check Show Hotspots, which outlines interactive areas in a yellow-green hue. Unchecking Show Note Marker will hide the note markers. Clicking the Axure icon on the right will take you to axure.com that covers all the features of the prototype player,